In this video, I'll be walking you through how to use conditional logic with framer forms. I'm Anik from Insert Frame. Let's go. So conditional logic is when you want a user's answers to dictate which page they go to next. So for example, here on the first page, if I press agency, I'm directed to the last page, whereas if I select freelancer, I'm shown at the other page. Let's jump back into Frame to see how this is set up. So here I am on the Framer canvas, and as you can see, I've already got a multi-step form here all set up. So firstly, we want to make sure that this is set up correctly. So what I want to do is put the conditional logic on the first page so that they're either directed to page 2 or page 3. So on page 1, I'm just going to go to the input field here, the component, and make sure I know what the name is here. So I'm just going to copy that one there. Next, I need to just open the plugin, go to logic, conditional logic, and add logic config block. This one, I'm just going to make sure it's within my form on the page that the conditional logic is taking place. So for this one, it's going to be on page 1. Just to note as well, this is not visible on the live site, only on the canvas. Next, to set it up, I'm just going to have that selected, go to the right-hand side and go to conditions. When I open that up, I'm going to add my conditions for the logic. So the input name is the name of this component here that we copied before, so client type. It is a select because it's a dropdown. So when it equals agency, I'm going to send them to page 3, which is the last one here. The page numbers are from these names here on the layers. As you can see here as well, by default, any other selection here will just send them to the next page, which is page 2. You can also change that here, so the default can go to any other page, but if it's blank, it just goes to the next page by default anyway. Let's test this one out quickly. So agency, page 3, freelancer, page 2. Perfect. And that's all done. That's how you set up conditional logic in Framer with Framer forms.